students, I hope you all are doing good and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video we are going to revise the chapter first. This is me. Okay, so students, in our previous videos we had already covered this chapter, but this is the revisional video of this chapter. Okay students, so firstly take out your social studies book, Window on the World, which is look like this. Okay, so take out your social studies book, Window on the World, and open the chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1, page number 1. Okay, chapter 1, page number 1. Okay, so what is your chapter name, students? Our chapter name is This Is Me. Okay, so what is our chapter name? Our chapter name is This Is Me. Okay, so this chapter is all about yourself. Okay, in this chapter you will learn that how to explain about yourself. Okay, how to explain about yourself, and in this chapter you will learn to talk about that what you like and what you do not like, and you will also learn to draw your picture. Okay, you will also learn to draw the picture of yourself. Okay, so these all things we had already learned in this chapter when we had covered this chapter, but today we are going to revise this chapter once. Okay students, so let's start reading. So students, now you have to just listen to me carefully, and that you can so that you can be able to understand that how I am pronouncing every single word of this chapter. Okay students, so firstly students, take out turn your page and come to the next page, come to the page number 2. Okay, and here you can see students, a family picture is given. Okay, a small family picture is given. So in this family there are 4 members. So first member is father, mother, a little sister and her brother, or you can say a little sister or brother. Okay, so this little sister, this little girl is explaining about herself. Okay, this little girl is explaining about herself in this chapter. Okay students, so that you can understand that how to explain about yourself. Okay, how to introduce about yourself. Is it clear? So let's start reading, and you have to listen to me carefully and repeat after me. Okay students, so here put finger on the very first line and repeat after me. Okay students, I am Leena. I am Leena. So Leena is a name. Okay, Leena is a name. So this little girl's name is Leena. Okay, so this little girl's name is Leena, and she is introducing herself. So what she is saying about herself, students? She is saying, I am Leena. I am 6 years old. So firstly she told us her name, and then she told us her age. Okay, so she told us I am 6 years old. It means Leena is 6 years old at this time. I live with my mother, father and sister. Okay, so there are 3 members in Leena's family: her mother, her father and her sister. Okay, so there are 3 members in Leena's family. And this is Goldie, my pet cat. I love her a lot. Okay, so as you can see in this picture students, Leena is playing with her pet cat. Okay, Leena is playing with her pet cat. So Here Lina is describing about her pet cat, that her pet cat name is Goldie. So what her pet cat name is, student? Her pet cat name is students. So she had a pet animal and the pet animal's name is Goldie and she is a cat. Okay, so this pet animal is a cat. Okay, and her name is Goldie and Lina loves her cat a lot. Alia and Bunty are my best friend. Alia and Bunty are Lina's best friend. I play with them in the park every day. As you can see in this picture, students, look at this picture in your book. Lina is playing with Alia and Bunty in the park. Okay, Lina is playing with her friends in the park every day. Okay, so when you are describing about yourself, you can describe all the things, you can explain these things about yourself, that what is your name, what is your age, and how many members in your family, and what is your pet animal. If you have a pet animal, then you can talk about that pet animal. Okay, so students, you can see here a box is given and you will learn a right value. Okay, so a right value is given in a box on this page. So let's read about it and learn these right values. So Rita is playing with her new ball. Ravi sees the new ball. He wants to play with it too. He asks, "Can I play with you, Rita?" "No, you can't," says Rita. She picks up the ball and goes home. Ravi is sad. Some children like Rita do not like share. It is fun to share. We should learn to share our things. So students, there is a girl, her name is Rita. Okay, so there is a girl, her name is Rita, and she has a new ball and she is playing with her new ball. And at the same time there is a boy, his name is Ravi, and he saw her new ball and he wants to play with the new ball. He asks Rita that, "Can I play with your new ball?" But Rita denied. He forbidden him to play with her new ball. So Ravi is very sad because Rita didn't let Ravi to play with her new ball. So student, we should not behave like Rita to anyone because she didn't share her ball with Ravi. Sharing is a good habit. Okay, sharing is a good habit. It is fun to share. Okay, it is a fun to share our things with other children. Okay, so all good boys and girls should share their things with the other children and other people. Okay, it's a good thing to share their things. Is that clear, students? Now turn your page and come to the next page, students. This is me. Okay, this is me. You can see in this picture, students, this is a little girl. So here you will learn to describe about yourself. Okay, how to introduce yourself you will learn on this step. Okay, so firstly, this is me. My name is, whatever your name is, you have to write down it here. Okay, whatever your name is, you have to write down it here. Okay, suppose that if your name is Rita, then you will simply write here Rita. Okay, Rita. Okay, and then at the next step, I am dash years old. Okay, so here you have to write down your age. Okay, suppose that if you are 6 years old, then you will write here 6. I am 6 years old. Is that clear? And then I study in class dash. Okay, so here you have to write your class. You are studying in class first, so you will write here first. Okay, so I study in class first. And then when I grow up I want to be a dash. Okay, so here you have to write the occupation or the thing that you want to be when you will grown up. Okay, so when you will grow up, what you want to be, so what you want to be in future when you will grow up, so you have to write that thing here. Okay, suppose that if you want to be a teacher, okay, so you will write here teacher. Okay, so what it will become, it will become when I grow up I want to be a teacher. Okay, so whatever you want to be in future you have to just write down here. Okay, on this given space. Okay, and next one is I have a pet, its name is dash. Okay, so in this given space you have to write your pet animal name. Okay, if you have, and if you don't have a pet animal, so I'm asking you a question. If you don't have a pet, then suppose that if you would have a pet animal, then what it would be. Okay, if you don't have a pet, but if you have a pet, if you have a pet animal, if you would have pet animal, then what it would be. So whatever you want to get as a pet animal you can write down here. Okay, now here you have to draw picture of yourself. Okay, so look at this box, students. Can you see this box? Can you see this given box? You have to write your picture. Okay, you have to draw your picture. Okay, you have to draw picture of yourself in this given box. Is that clear, students? I know you all love to draw, so here your favorite work is given, so you have to draw picture of yourself. Okay, you can take the help of your guardians, your parents. Okay, students, and you have to draw your picture. So students, look at this given box. Look at this given box, students. Life skills. Okay, so here we will learn a very important things. Okay, about our life. Okay, be aware. Do you know your father or your mother's phone number? Write it down and learn it. Also learn your home and address. Okay, so students, do you know your father or mother's phone number? You should learn your father or mother's phone number in case you may lost, or you are you have in any problem, then you can just call your parents, or you can ask for calling your parents to anyone. Okay, so you should learn your father or mother's phone number. So just you have to do, ask your father and mother's their phone number and write it down. Okay, write it down and learn it. Okay, and you should also learn your home address. Okay, you should also learn your home address. So turn your page and come to the next page, students. And again a very interesting things, here you have to write your favorite things. Okay, some things I like, some things I like. Okay, so here you have to write the things name that you like. Okay, I like the color dash. So here you have to write your favorite color, that color you like the most. Okay, a color name that you like. And the next is I like eating dash. So here you have to write the food name that you like to eat. Okay, suppose that you like to eat chocolate. Okay, you like to eat chocolate or any fruit or any mama's recipe, whatever your mom cooks for you. So you can write here down. Okay students. And the next one is I like playing. I like playing dash. So here you have to write your favorite game name. Okay, so whatever is your favorite game, you can write it here. Okay, suppose that if your favorite game is hockey, then you can write here hockey. If your favorite game is cricket, then you can write here cricket. If your favorite game is any indoor game, suppose that carom, ludo, etc., then you can write it here. Okay, is it clear? Next one is I like wearing dash. So here you have to write the cloth name that you like to wear. Okay, suppose that you like to wear pant and shirt, so or frock or shorts, so you have to write the name of the clothes here. Okay, is that clear students? And next is some things I do not like. So here you have to write the things name that you do not like at all. Okay, so I do not like dash. So here you have to write the things name that you do not like at all. Okay, is that clear students? For example, if you don't like curd, okay, if you don't like curd, then you can write here curd. Okay, or anything else that you don't like to eat, to wear, or anything, you can write down here. Is that clear students? Now it's done. And here body parts name are given. So students, I'm sure you all are aware about your body parts name. So let's revise once. My body. Okay, so here you have to learn about your body. This is my body. It has many parts. Okay, so what is this? What is this students? This is our body. Okay, our body looks like this. Am I right? So our body has so many parts. Is that clear? Our body has so many parts, such as eyes, ears, mouth, neck, head, chest, arms, etc. Okay, so let's revise once. So what is this students? What is this? This is our ear. What is this? This is our ear. What is the spelling of ear? E-A-R, ear. Okay, and what is this students? This is our head. What is the spelling of head? H-E-A-D, head. Okay students, so that's all for today. These things we will cover today. So bye bye, take care of yourself, and see you in the next video lesson.